In this video, we would like to show you how to replace the screen washer in our, these are the male threaded nozzle pop-ups. We have two different kinds. These are the 4-inch ones with the sort of thinner cap. We got the thicker cap Watermaster ones. This is a 2-inch version. They use the same screen filter, and replacing it is the same in either one. So let me just show you quickly how to do that. Basically, the first thing you would want to do is remove the lid, unscrew that, get basically the stem out. If you have a pop-up tool, you might want to try that, but you can also just take this out, gives you a little bit more room to work. Push down on the wiper seal here, unscrew the top, the nozzle, take that nozzle off, set it aside, and there's your old washer. You can put in the new one, screw the nozzle back on. Again, pay attention to the marks on the top for the pattern. This one happens to be a full pattern, so how we insert it doesn't really matter, but go ahead and put that back in the sprinkler and screw the top back on. So that's really all there is to it. Very quick process. Great way to keep your sprinklers running at sort of peak performance by making sure the filters aren't clogged. You can always just check those out and replace them if they ever get broken or clogged. If you have any questions about this video, please let us know in the comments below, and we would be happy to help.